In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer crypto from eToro to your ledger Nano X. Now to do this, first of all, you need to download an app called eToro Money. This is basically eToro's crypto platform. So download this on your phone. Once you've done that, head over to Portfolio. Make sure you verify your account completely. So mine is only 80%. You need to verify it 100%. And you also need to verify with your phone number. Then just select the crypto, click on it in here, and there will be a move to wallet button. Now click on that and it will be sent to your eToro Money app. Now I don't have this because my account is not completed, but you should be able to see that. Then once you have sent the crypto to the eToro Money, what you want to do is you want to plug in your Ledger Nano X, open up Ledger Live, and from in there you want to click on Receive. Then simply select the crypto you want to receive and your address will show up. Then you want to go back to your eToro Money app, click on crypto, choose the one you want to send, and click on send. Then simply type in the address and it will now be transferred. Now this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.